Hi you guys, I'm gonna show you how to look like a snack on imvu. Here we are. Oh sorry, I'm so sorry. It's okay, I don't log in. I'm gonna just do other in the next video. If anybody sees this in their YouTube recommended, just watch it please and hear me out. Let's go. She will name Amaya. Amaya, Amaya. I don't care about that. Okay. Amaya. Today's my friend's birthday, by the way. Shout out to her. Her name is Jaquancia Thompson. My God. I forgot. Gotta buy into this one. Shouldn't I have been on Anvil for so long? Guys, I was so stupid with the Anvil right now. We are on. I don't need no daily spin for this shit. As you can see, the bling some outfits. Nice. Wow. Don't mind me, I'm just a black woman. So I'm just a black kid who just wants to give y'all attention. So we're going bottom in here. And I think your girl gonna be wearing something like wait, I'm just going down to see. Yeah, I think she will be wearing something like this. Y'all don't tell me her. If y'all tell me her weave too long, I got y'all. I won't do it no more. Let me just take off all of these, all of these, all of these, all of these. All of these need to go. We just got her hairstyle done. So yeah, we just need to get out everything out of here so quick. Yeah, get out. Oh my God, so sorry. But we already choose our hair, so we can't do nothing. Okay, this is all we got. We're going in her eyes now. Y'all, we reached 251. Also on point. So, let me get with some coconut eyes. Come on, look pretty good. Yes, y'all's green. I might change the weave in the middle of the video or not. I don't know yet. Don't worry. I watch Tom and Jerry. I'm just a kid, y'all. So don't just mind my business. That's Tom and Jerry episode 11. This looking good. Looks so real. This looks so good. Looking so nice. Let's show this again. What up, look? They be lying, so don't follow that scheme like I did last time. This is my first video on my channel. Oh my God, guys, don't worry about that. It's just a motorcycle for my daughter, one of my cousins. And we're gonna go with my accessories. Of course, we gotta get this bitch some accessories, baby. Oh my God, sorry for my bad language about bitch. She looking fly. I might have to change her hair though. See, I told y'all so. I might have to change it, but I'm gonna change it completely to. I'm just gonna give her some time. Jesus is Lord though. I cannot find a hairstyle but compared to her so beautiful. I think it will be this one. Y'all love this. Look at my accessories. She needs them good realistic features. Of course, my bitch gotta get some realistic features. She gotta look like a real human. Since y'all wanna see me do a lot of shit. Small waist, curvy hips. Of course, my bitch gotta got that. I think I would just go with a queen crown, yeah. Of course, my bitch is a queen, my bitch is a queen, my bitch is a queen, but it's too shiny. Too shiny. Too shiny. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But for guys, I tried it on last time and it wasn't so good. It wasn't good at all. Y'all, you know what I'm thinking? I'm just gonna put this errand. That's all I came for. But I came for something else. So. But then hit 120. Don't worry, I will find it. See, it's here. See, I told y'all so. We need some more accessories, yeah. But you gotta go like I'm like queens. I don't have any nails, so I need some nails. I need some nails. I need some nails. I wonder who's coming up them steps. Okay, we're gonna just go with the yes, I want some tassels. Oh my god, that was my messages. I had to this video right here. I lost it. Don't worry, it's okay. Y'all can see my message. Once y'all don't tell nobody. Okay. I can't find the nails. Oh my god. So we gotta go with this ice me out chain. Let me get this real quick. Let me show y'all how it looks. It looks good. Rosalind. Let's get some Rosalind in this house. Yes, I'm just gonna go with it. Today, clothing tops. Don't worry, I'm not done yet. Everything done. Chicken making accessories. We just need a lot of things in order. We need to be short and thick. Nose piercings, of course. Just gotta look like a wheels. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, let's give it right there. I'm gonna get some retro shapes. Might look good on top of my looks. That's real cute. I must be dreaming because like out of this one, it fits me perfectly. So you thought your bitch would have ended there? Nope. Sorry y'all saw my messages. Don't worry. Okay. Y'all can talk about it in the comments. But promise me you won't chat anyway. Yo, I gotta just open more because y'all cannot see. What's that? You can't see. Oh my god, it's so bright. We need some more earrings. Your girl needs some more earrings. So, drippy tongue. Let's see. Yeah, here. Rolling bar. Reflective pencil. Oh, so vitamins, Steven. Let me see. I want to. Is this? Looks real nice, but it don't match me. You sound. Again. This looks so good. I need a skirt. That's what I thought. No skirt was coming my way. Oh my god, she looks good. But no skirt today. This bitch gonna be looking like a I was thinking about doing this last night. Yeah, I did. I was thinking about doing this, and it came to my mind so quickly, so I had to do it. Oh my god, I look so beautiful. I'm just going some avatars. Avatars are not loading, but here we go. Just loaded them. Here you guys go. Michael's looking for it. And I will end the video here. I'll see y'all next time. If y'all want the next video, it will be a boy. If you recommend me to do it, bye. Love y'all so much. Even though it's my first time on the channel.